We're going to take a look at this Outback 341 RD. It's my first time being in here, so we're going to look at everything together. I'll put all the specifications right here at the bottom right now. So looking around, you can see you have these huge panoramic windows. You're going to have little blackout roller shades and all of that. Also, no carpet slides. So really nice floor space here, very seamless. Everything's flowing nicely. Here in your living area, you've got these theater seats here. And one thing about the Outbacks, you normally have this black interior paired with the brown leather sofas and theater seats, but you actually have this gray cloth, which is actually really comfortable, and I think it helps brighten up the place some. Opposing trifold sleeper sofas, so those will fold out right to the middle and give you extra bed. And you have your furnace down here, extra console space, open space there, radio control. You also have a DVD player built right into there. And then you have storage all along here. You can even place things up here right next to your TV. And then you're gonna have overhead storage here. So nice big shelf that's gonna run all the way through. And then we'll turn this way towards your kitchen. So you have a 10 cubic foot fridge, plenty of room for your food in here. Run on 12 volts there. And then you have your pantry space. So really deep shelves. 3-burner cooktop, has that glass cover on here. Counter space here, you can put an appliance right here in your cooking area. Overhead cabinet storage. And then you're also going to have this built-in spice rack, which is one of the features that I always love in the kitchen because it's just nice and organized and it sits nicely here. So your dinette here, you have this table that you can pull out and kind of adjust however you need. If you needed to extend it, you have outlets and USB ports right there. Booth seating on this side, and then in the closet, I saw there is a bench, so you can have that bench seating under there. And then when you're not using it, you can just push it under there and still have this open floor space. You have this nice little angled kitchen area here with your sink. So you have stainless steel sink with that rolling drying tray. I love these nozzles because it makes it really convenient and easy to do your dishes. Drawer space down below. And you're gonna have your microwave built right into there, and then cabinet storage on both sides. And then coming back here, you can access your bedroom from either way, there or there. We'll look at it from here first. So you have this radius shower, so that means that rounded front here. See-through, really open. And then behind this door, you have your medicine cabinet with a little extension underneath. And your sink right beneath that. Linen closet here. So you're gonna have shelf space here as well as down below. Place for your towels and your toiletries. And then you have a porcelain foot flush toilet here. And we'll step through here into your bedroom. So you have this dresser space right down below. Tons of drawers for you. TV can be mounted right up top here. And like I said, there's that little bench for your dining area. Then you have overhead storage here above your bed. And then down below, you're going to have that built-in pet kennel for your little furry friends. And you also have storage underneath there if you wanted to use it for that purpose. Hanging closet storage here. Mirror sliding doors. And then right in here, we're going to have extra shelf space and storage, as well as your washer and dryer hookups. So you can put a washer and dryer right in here and do your laundry, and then put it here in your closet or your dresser space, which is really convenient because it's all centrally located right here. Nice big window here, and we'll step outside and take a look at the outside.